tomato, onion, brinjal, cucumber, carrot, pumpkin, lady's finger, garlic, cauliflower, red pepper, potato, broccoli, green pepper, cabbage, beetroot, sweet potato, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, corn, spring onion, mint leaves, mushroom, radish, spinach, peas, beans,